Welcome to my channel. You can learn programming on this channel. We will learn the basic HTML language. Today's topic is about HTML. About HTML, programming in HTML with me. We have a question: what is HTML? HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating a page. HTML describes the structures of a web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Who created HTML? The first version of HTML was written by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Since then, there have been many different versions of HTML. The most widely used version throughout the 2000s was HTML 4.01, which became an official standard in December 1999. Another version, XHTML, was a rewrite of HTML as an XML language. Who is HTML used? HTML is the backbone of website decision and function. It provides a structure for web pages that allows browsers to understand and display the content on the page. By understanding how HTML works, you can create better websites with more sophisticated features. That was today's topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe.